So our next lesson is learning about what the inverse of a conditional statement is. So we have a conditional statement here, similar to the last lesson that we learned. If measure of angle B is 98 degrees, that being the hypothesis, then angle B is obtuse. That's the conclusion. So to write the inverse of a conditional statement, you negate the hypothesis and the conclusion. And if you remember our video in negation, it's basically to say something is not. I'll give you an example. I'm going to write this here. I'm going to write the inverse. So if measure of angle B is not 98 degrees, then angle B is not obtuse. So you can see the hypothesis. We said if measure of angle B is not 98 degrees. So that little cross on the equal sign is basically negation. It's saying not 98 degrees. Then measure of angle B is not obtuse. So the inverse of a conditional statement is the negation of a hypothesis and the conclusion. Okay? If you liked the video, if this was helpful, comment and subscribe. Okay?